Okay Kyle, let's make a video.
Okay Kelly, let's do it.
Hi, this is Kelly and Kevin McKarenson here, and I, Kelly McKarenson, will be singing Oath by Charlotte and Becky G, so be sure to like this video.
And if you dislike this video, then we will report you.
Yeah! So you better like this video, or else. But anyways, I'm going to sing Oath by Charlotte and Becky G, with Kelly McKarenson. And don't forget all the trouble you went into.
Why does someone not know how to flush the toilet after they've had a poo?
It wasn't me.
Well, it was fudging one of you.
Disgusting!
Okay, that was awkward. I think it's time to end the video now.
Oh no, I forgot to flush the toilet. Oh my god.
Oh, so it was you, was it, Kevin? You lazy asshole.
Sorry Karen, I forgot. The toilet's flushed now anyway.
Well, thank God for that.